Good morning, y'all. We're talking about rejecting the null hypothesis versus, or is it the same as accepting or proving the null hypothesis? And the answer would be no. Because rejecting the null hypothesis in a stats test means that we don't have enough evidence to support the alternative. It doesn't mean that the null hypothesis is true, only that there's not enough data. Basically, the failure to reject the null is a lack of proof against it. And then accepting the null hypothesis would assume a level of certainty and like proving something, which stats doesn't necessarily do usually. But for an example, we're going back to creatine. Let's say null hypothesis is taking creatine does not affect muscle growth, and then the alternative is that taking creatine improves muscle growth. Let's say after our test and our data, we find a p-value of, let's say, 0.2. So that's greater than the level of significance, which was like 0.05. So we failed to reject the null hypothesis, but this does not mean that taking creatine doesn't have an effect on muscle growth. It simply means that based on our data, we don't have enough evidence to conclude that creatine has an effect. So thank you very much. Have a good day.